Myself, Dr. Atul Ashok Patil, Faculty of Department of Mechanical Engineering from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. I am a part of this international FDP on environment and sustainability conducted by Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune, in association with UNESCO and Open Education for Better World. I am going to give small presentation for week 2 on green manufacturing with solar cooker, a clean energy as case study. Role of solar cooker in sustainable development. Bulk growth of rural households, dependency on insufficient and poor quality energy sources are the feature of Indian energy consumption pattern. Sustainability is the move towards the growth and development of India. Solar energy is one of the renowned sector to support the sustainability of India. Solar energy has huge potential in India due to its position in hot belt. This study deals with the new innovative applications of solar energy for sustainable development of India. Solar application in water boiling and food cooking are described for sustainable development. Solar kitchen restaurant. Solar kitchen restaurant is an idea to promote solar energy. This idea is already successfully implemented in Europe. The solar kitchen restaurant is based on a solar kitchen concept where cooking is by pure solar energy. The solar kitchen restaurant will be built around a solar kitchen to relax and enjoy in a new and exciting way. Unlike the traditional way of cooking, solar heat affects the taste and texture of dish in a surprising and positive way, producing a completely different taste experience. To promote solar energy, research and development capacity have to be built in a private sector and in a educational institution. Environmental and energy access reimbursement will strengthen the economic case for clean energy policies and build public support for these initiatives. If these initiatives work as intended, it is only a matter before India becomes one of the world's leader in solar energy. Solar cooking system. Solar thermal cooking. Solar cooking system have been developed in many different forms ranging from hot box ovens to focusing dish cookers. Hot box oven systems have been widely accepted in India and other countries where there is a shortage of energy and pressure on LPG, coal, natural gas, and biomass resources. Solar cooker, in which the cooking pot is placed at the focus of concentrating mirror, have not been widely adopted due to the need to constantly adjust the orientation of the concentrator. Hot box ovens and concentrating solar cookers are cheap and effective. However, they are limited to cooking during clear sky periods and require the cook to work outdoors. Solar cooker. A solar cooker is a device which cooks foods with the help of solar energy and can save the conventional fuels to a major amount. It over supplements the cooking fuel and cannot replace it in total. On clear sunny days, it is possible to cook noon meal for 4 to 5 people in normal box solar cooker. And if one desire either full or part evening meal could also be cooked in it. Three There are three main components to most solar cookers: concentration, absorption, retention. Concentration of the sun's rays is performed most often by reflecting panel petals and such surfaces that can focus or concentrate the rays of light to a point or concentration. These reflecting panels are usually made of materials that are shiny and reflective due to the substance used in their manufacture, such as silver, chromium, and aluminum. Absorption of the sunny energy is a solar cooking is best achieved when a surface is dark in color. Thus, the most common solar oven interiors are usually black in color as well as the color of the cookware used for cooking the food. Dark colors absorb the heat, whereas light colors do not absorb heat well. Retention is the final principle in solar cooking. If a solar cooker is not well insulated and if it does not have a cover or lid, then all of the content heat, that is energy, and all of the absorbed heat would quickly dissipate into the air and be lost to the surrounding environment. A solar cooker must have the means to trap or hold the concentrated heat, allowing it to accumulate and build up to sufficiently high enough levels to be able to effectively cook. Types of solar cooker. The main basic three types are basic types: 1. Box cookers, second panel cookers, and third parabolic cookers. Box cooker. Box cookers, solar box cookers, sometimes called solar ovens, are the most common and inexpensive type of solar cookers. These box cookers have a very simple construction and they are made of low cost material. The outer box is often made of wood. The inner box is made of insulating material which is covered with clear glass or with plastic and often has a reflector of aluminum. According to Solar Cooker, international solar box cookers cook at moderate temperature and often can accumulate multiple pots. It can reach a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius. Next type is panel cookers. Panel cookers have a flat panel which reflects the focus sunlight for cooking and heating. Panel cookers incorporate elements of box and curved concentrator cookers. The panel cooker is quite similar in operation to the solar box cooker. The same principles are employed, but instead of an insulated box, panel cookers typically rely on a large reflective panel. Third, parabolic solar cooker. In this cooker, comparison to solar box and panel cookers, parabolic cookers, sometimes called curved concentrator cookers, can reach much higher temperature and frequent adjustment and supervision for safe operation is required. According to Solar Cooker International, it needs more precision to focus the sunlight on the food in the pan. If the sunlight is not correctly focused on the food in the pan, the food will not be cooked well. Advantages of solar cooker: no fuel requirement and no recurring charges. Maintains quality of food cooked. Retains the nutrition value of food. No soot formation. No health problem because there is no smoke. It reduces more carbon footprint by cooking without the use of carbon-based fuels or grid electricity from traditional sources. Solar energy is the best solution in bridging India's energy demand supply gap in the future. Solar cookers use no fuel. This saves cost as well as reducing environmental damage caused by fuel use. Since 2.5 billion people cook on open fire using biomass fuels, solar cookers could have large economic and environmental benefits by reducing deformation. Thank you.